welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, EI. I was not able to post any videos for a while. I've been busy. My channel is so boring. I don't have any latest videos. But anyways, for tonight, so yeah, I'm supposed to be tonight. I'm supposed to be working, but we don't have internet, so I decided to just come up here. And for the past few days, or the past couple of days, I've been watching YouTube vlogs, and I've got this Tmi Tag Questions. So I thought it is a good content for like a comeback video, you know. Yes, you know. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the questions. So first question, what are you wearing? Well, as you can see, I'm wearing a loose t-shirt. This is from Shopee. Yeah, this is from Shopee. It's like $100. No, it was 100 pesos. And yeah, this is already like weeks. And yeah, no explanation sa ano.
True.
What are you wearing? Second question, ever been in love? Sorry. I don't know what love means. If you say love, like, you know, just love. If I had a boyfriend, yeah, I had a boyfriend, but I don't know if that's that serious. Ever been in love? Yeah. Third question, ever had a breakup? A terrible breakup? Was that a terrible breakup? Yeah, I guess. And no, not really, because I understand why we had to do it. So yeah. And how tall are you? That's the fourth question. How tall am I? I'm 166 centimeters. So that is like 5 feet 6 inches. Yeah, something like that. And then fifth question, how much do you weigh? Oh, I actually don't know, but I'm like, I don't know, I think I'm 70, 60, 80, I don't know. I was not able to measure my weight for quite some time, so I'm not sure my weight right now is. Sixth question, any tattoos? No at the moment, but I've been wanting to have one, but just the minimal tattoos, or just a little tattoo. I've been wanting to, like, the ano, yung wangod. Apo wangod, ano yun? Yes, Apo wangod. I'd like to get a tattoo from her. It's, you know, it's quite just, the feeling's different if you, I think the feeling's different if you are able to get a tattoo from her. The seventh question is, any piercings? Yes, I've got piercings, but just right over here. Yeah, I've got these right over here, just in my ears, because I'm a very good kid. I don't have any piercings anywhere in my body but here. That's it. And I've got my earrings. This is like, I think this is 24 years old already, and I haven't changed this earring since then. And so, next question. Favorite show? TV show? Well, we don't have a TV here in our apartment, so in Netflix. Oh no, Manifest. That was the last TV show that I've watched, and I've been waiting for the season 4. And I'm very excited what's going to happen. So yeah, Manifest. Favorite bands. Favorite bands. Like music band. Music band. I think the Vamps. I think they're a band. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. The Vamps. You can search for them. I don't know if they're still making music these days, but I like them. One Direction was, but I don't think they're a band. Because a band for me is like, you know, a group of people who plays instruments and singing. Yeah. Well, next question. Something you miss. I miss home. Yeah, oh my god, there's an airplane over there. Yes, I miss home. I haven't been home for 2 years? 2 years? 3 years. The last time I was home was back in 2020. So yeah, 2 years already. Next is favorite song. I don't actually have a favorite song. It depends on my mood. Yeah, but the last song I listened to, which I liked, it was James Arthur's, what you call that one? September. Yeah, if you listen to it, it's very beautiful. Next is how old are you? Oh, how old am I? So I'm 25. I'm gonna be turning 26 in a few days. And I don't know when will this be uploaded. I'll be already 26 maybe when this gets uploaded. So yeah, I would say 26. Okay. And then next question, zodiac sign. My zodiac sign is... What's this zodiac sign? Ano mga Aquarius? Is that it? Aquarius? Oh yeah, my zodiac sign is Aquarius. Quality you look for in a partner. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, this is a very difficult question. Thank you so much. Quality you look for in a partner. So I would like someone who has good sense of humor. Yeah, who has a respect and I can trust, that I can get a connection with. Connection. Favorite quote. My favorite quote is, everything happens for a reason. Just be happy, go with the flow, be spontaneous. Try spontaneous. Just got that word earlier. Be spontaneous, you know. Next, favorite actor. Who is my favorite actor? I don't know. And again, it depends on what kind of acting he or she does. Maybe. But my favorite actor is Mr. Bean. Favorite actor. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure who my favorite actor is. Next one is favorite color. My favorite color is something that has a, like, you know, like earth tones, browns. But yeah, earth tone colors. Next one is loud music or soft. Again, it depends on my mood. If I'm going through something as well, actually I would say loud music, because it just like keeps me going. If I'm going through something or I'm doing something, to like, I would listen to music and it's like just keeps me going, you know. Next is, where do you go when you're sad? Oh, where do I go when I don't have anywhere else to go? I'm right here in the house. I don't know. But if I would be given choices or places to go when I'm sad, I will go on a hike on a mountain. It's like therapeutic for me. Therapeutic. How long does it take you to shower? I take shower very quick. It's like 15 minutes. So yeah, that's my average, 15 minutes. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Well, my job is at night, so I don't actually do something to get ready in the morning. But if you have to get ready before work, maybe 15 minutes shower, eating, I would say 10 minutes. 10 minutes? No, 15 minutes as well. Let's say an hour. An hour. Yeah, I would say an hour. Maybe. Ever been in a physical fight? Yeah, with my siblings. I've been with physical fights with my siblings. Turn on. If that person or someone who respects their family and values their family more than anything else, that's a turn on. Turn off is, yeah, with someone who doesn't have any respect. The reason I joined YouTube, yeah, well, actually the reason I joined, I'm not gonna be a hypocrite or something, but yeah, the reason I joined YouTube is like, you know, to document what's happening. It's just nice to look back to for the next few years, you know, just laugh at it. And then yeah, also to YouTube is like an opportunity nowadays to gain income or something like that. So yeah, that's it. Fears. Yeah, losing people I love. Family, you know. Last thing that made you cry a very long time ago. It's like years ago when my grandparents passed away. Yeah, I was not able to get over that for quite some time, and it still affects me every time I think about them. And every time I looked at videos online with grandparents, it's just, yeah, this will not be an emotional video, so let's not get into that more. So next question. Last time you said you loved someone? I can't remember. Meaning behind your YouTube name. Oh, my YouTube name is AI. I used to put my last name in there, but the past few days I changed it to just my first name because I like to have it that way. It's EI, I-Y-A-Y, and the meaning behind it is just nothing. I mean, that's how people call me, EI. So that's it. Last book you read? I'm not kind of a bookworm person, so I can't remember what was the last book I read, so yeah. Next is the book you're currently reading. I said I don't read a book. I'm not a bookworm. So yeah, I don't have anything at the moment. Next question, last show you watched. As what I've said, it's The Manifest in Netflix. You should watch it, it's a very good movie. Last person you talked to? Oh, I talked to my brother. Because I don't have someone else here in the house. So he was the last one I talked to. The relationship between you and the person you last texted. Who did I last texted? Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna go into this, but it's quite complicated. It's someone I'm not related to, I haven't met yet, and we've talked for quite some time. We just got you know, anyways, it's a drama. I'm not related to this person, the last one I texted or messaged. Favorite food? Pizza. Yeah, pizza, I like pizza. Next is place you want to visit. Oh, I love to visit, not just visit, but I love to go and live in New Zealand. Yeah, I've been wanting to go to New Zealand ever since I know New Zealand existed. Last place you were. Last place I was in the bathroom, the toilet. I took a shower. Do you have a crush right now? Not really. Don't want to go into that. So, last time you kissed someone? Oh, I kissed someone. My grandmother. And I miss her so much. Last time you were insulted? Oh, just not long ago. Yeah, we just didn't get along, and I don't know her. She doesn't know me. So I don't know what happened to the conversation, but it's just drama. Favorite flavor of sweet? I like mocha. Is that sweet? Yeah, mocha flavor or caramel flavor. What instruments do you play? I don't play instruments, but I love to learn guitar. And lately I've been also watching piano videos, so yeah, guitar and pianos. Favorite piece of jewelry? I like necklace and a bracelet. Next is last sport you played. Last sport I played. Haven't played any sports. Yeah. But yeah, I like volleyball. The last song you sang, it's a R&B song, I forgot. Anyways, it's an R&B song on Spotify, and I can't remember what the title was. Yeah, favorite chat app line. What is this? Pickup line? Favorite? I don't know. No one has ever asked me or gave me pickup lines earlier, so I don't know. If someone gave me anything, I don't know. Have you ever used it? Oh, the chat. I was not able to. I don't have any favorite chat app line, so that means I've never used it. Next question. Last time you hung out with anyone? It's with my brother and my cousin. We went to Manila Bay. And yeah, that was it. That was the last time. Who should answer these questions next? So yeah, I think this is the end of the video. I mean the end of the questions. But yeah, who should answer these questions next? I would say those people who's just starting their YouTube channel. This is a good one. For me, yeah, I thought this is a good one because I haven't been posting any videos for a while, so I just thought, yeah, this is a good content for a comeback video. So yeah, I would say those people just starting and if you would like your viewers to get to know you more. So yeah, this could be an idea for a content. So yeah, that's it. I hope that I've justified and answered the questions as how you expect it to be, my answers, but yeah, I've answered as much as I can and answers I could give you. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you so much for the 42 subscribers. I appreciate it so much that you've stayed in the channel even though I'm not posting anything. So thank you so much, and yeah, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and for me to go out there. And please comment down below if you have any other videos that you would want me to do. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. You have a great day. You have a good night. Take care. Bye bye.